Hello student, I am Pramod sir, your maths teacher. Welcome to everybody to today's online class. Student, in previous video, I have discussed till question number 10 of exercise 11.4. So student, one question was left. So today I will discuss question number 11. And this question is the last question of this exercise and this chapter also. So student, firstly, I am writing the question. Find the area. Find the area. Find the area of the quadrilateral of the quadrilateral quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD. Here AC is equal to 22 centimeter. BM is equal to 3 centimeter. And DN is equal to 3 centimeter, and BM is perpendicular to AC, and DN is perpendicular to AC. And figure is given, student. Figure is given. A, B, C and D. BM perpendicular. This line to be perpendicular on AC. And from D, one perpendicular line has drawn also, that is N, and this is M, and the length of this is 3 centimeter, and this is 3 centimeter also. This is 90-degree angle and this is 90-degree angle, because both are perpendicular to AC. So, and AC is equal to 22 centimeter. 22 centimeter. Okay, student. So, question is asking me, student. Question is asking me, find the area of the quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral because this figure has 4 sides. ABCD. Here AC is equal to 22 centimeter. AC is equal to 22 centimeter, and BM is equal to 3 centimeter, and DN is equal to 3 centimeter. BM is perpendicular to AC, and DN is perpendicular to AC. So, student, how can we find out the area of whole quadrilateral? This whole quadrilateral कैसे आप find out करेंगे? Think and use your mind, student. So, student, by this line you are seeing that your quadrilateral is divided into 2 triangles, 2 parts, and each part is in the shape of triangle. एक ट्रायंगल ये बना हुआ है A, B and C, and second is A, D and C. 2 triangles, and base of both triangles are common. You can assume AC is the base of this triangle ADC, and AC is also the base of triangle ABC. And height of this triangle is, student, this and this. So student, if we able to find out the area of this triangle, area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ADC, and at last if we add the area of both triangle, it means we are able to find out the area of the quadrilateral. दोनों ट्रायंगल का एरिया फाइंड आउट करने के बाद दोनों ट्रायंगल का एरिया को ऐड कर दें, इट मींस वी हैव गॉट द एरिया ऑफ द क्वाड्रिलेटरल. So student, I am going to solve this question. How? From the figure in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, if AC is base, then AC is the base and BM is the height, So area of triangle ABC is equal to 1/2 into base into height. 1/2 base is given AC is equal to 22 centimeter and BM is equal to 3 centimeter. So base 22 into height 3, 11 is equal to 33 centimeter square. 33 centimeter square is the area of triangle ABC or ACB. As same student, we find the area of this triangle also, whole triangle. So in triangle, now in triangle ADC, base AC is equal to 22 centimeter, height same student is equal to 3 centimeter. So area of triangle ADC is equal to 1/2 into base into height is equal to 1/2 into base is given student 22, height is given 3, same area you will find 11, that is 33 centimeter square. Means area of this triangle is 33 centimeter square and area of this triangle is 33 centimeter square. So student, tell me what will be the area of the quadrilateral. At last, in last line student, we can write therefore area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC is equal to area of triangle ABC is equal to 33 centimeter, 33 centimeter square plus area of triangle ADC is equal to 33 centimeter square. 33 centimeter square is equal to 66 centimeter square is the area of the quadrilateral. This is my answer, student. So, student, this question was very easy. Only understand that this line is divided this quadrilateral into two parts and create the two triangles. Two triangle, one triangle is ABC and second triangle is ADC. Find the area of this triangle and find the area of this triangle by the formula 1/2 base into height, and at last add the area of both triangles and you will get the area of quadrilateral. So, student, I hope you have understood this question very well. So, student, in your fair copy, you will complete the all questions of exercise 11.4. 11.4 के सारे क्वेश्चन आप कंप्लीट करेंगे एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 I will discuss here, student, to you only. I will discuss. I will not write the statement. I will not solve. I will tell you only how will you solve this question. So, firstly, I will make the figure, student. Student, this is a circular pipe. This is a circular pipe and one card is wrapped to this circular pipe. Card is wrapped to the around the circular pipe. Student, listen the question. Pragya wrapped a card around a circular pipe of radius 4 centimeter. The radius of the circular pipe is 4 centimeter. Radius is 4 centimeter. And cut off a length required of the card. Then she wrapped it around a square box of side 4 centimeter. Square box. There is a square box, student. This is a square box. And 4 centimeter. One side is 4 centimeter. So this side will be 4 centimeter and this side also will be 4 centimeter. So, student, question is asking me, then she wrapped it around a square box of side 4 centimeter, also shown. Did she have any card left? Did she any card left? Pi is equal to 3.14. Student, length of the total card का total length क्या होगा? Which she wrapped around the circular pipe will be equal to the circumference of the circular pipe. It means firstly we find out the circumference of this circular pipe. Firstly we find out 2 pi r. The value of pi is given. Circumference of circular pipe is equal to 2 pi r. You can find out. Question 8. I am discussing. So 2 pi r, r is 4 centimeter, pi 3.14. So you will able to find out the circumference of the circular pipe, and circumference will be equal to the length of the uses card, because we are using the card around the circular pipe, and this card we wrapped around the square box. So that card which we are wrapped around the square box, it means the length of this card will be equal to the perimeter of the square. So perimeter of the square, 4 into side, 4 into side, 4 into 4 is equal to 16 centimeter square. And this card you are using here. So what card has left? Question is asking me, student, did she have any card left? Yes. You will subtract circumference value. You will subtract the perimeter of the square box from the circumference of the circular pipe. Then that length will be left. That card will be left. Means, student, firstly find the circumference of the circular pipe. Then after this, find the perimeter of the square box. Why? Because जितना इसका सर्कमफ्रेंस होगा उतना ही कार्ड हम रैप करेंगे, और इसी कार्ड को हम स्क्वायर पर रैप कर रहे हैं. सो कितना कार्ड बचेगा या कितना एक्सेस हुआ? सो स्टूडेंट, जो कार्ड हम स्क्वायर बॉक्स पर लगाएंगे दैट विल बी इक्वल टू द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द स्क्वायर. So find the perimeter of the square, and in the last line you will subtract perimeter of the square box from the circumference of the circular pipe, and which amount you will find, that will be the card left. So I hope, student, you have understood this question. This is very easy, you can do, I know. So today, student, I have finished this chapter and this exercise also. So all questions of this exercise are very most important, student. So you will do all questions in your fair copy, and in my next video I will start your new chapter number 12, algebraic expression. So thank you, student. Thank you very much.